So we created a form, we created a document, we also created a spreadsheet. Let's just go through the other things, not necessarily open them up and stuff like that. My Google Drawing seems very intriguing. It's not exactly what we think of, but it is helpful, I suppose. So it doesn't do all the different things as complex as we want them, but you can check this out. I'm not going into too much detail there at all. And Google Slides is a basic PPT thing. You can connect more apps, which I will suggest you try out. Mostly because we can add things like these. So this is mostly just to preview the files inside the inside drive itself. Otherwise, you can just use it as a storage device. But let's say even drawings, and by which I mean DWG, and so you have CAD viewers and stuff like that. And okay, this is a very specific CAD viewer. I didn't mean that, but a few others. There's an AutoCAD version, and what's this? All sorts of random file types can be opened up by different apps that this place has. Let's just jump back into forms with this button that was so temptingly shown. Create spreadsheet. So let's just click on that. It says create new spreadsheet and link to it. Create. Linking to spreadsheet. And now you have all of your responses or your form in or rather the answers to your form as a spreadsheet. This, I think, is the best feature that forms, and basically this integration with spreadsheets makes everything a whole lot easier to understand and read and well, catalog even, right? Like for instance, I can say sort by and stuff like that, and gives me the as in assuming I have this by, I don't know, sections, or by what's another thing called the serial numbers, or USNs, or other university numbers and things like that. You can arrange them like that, so you get like a effective name list, and you can use these like accordingly. Again, I'm using a lot of teacher kind of examples, mostly because this is the use case I'm using it for. You obviously can use it for whatever you want. I will also try to fill the form in just now, just to see the sheet itself update. Not Raunak again. Let's say blah, blah, phone number blah, blah, and college name blah, 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 and submit. And that updates at the bottom. You'll also notice that there's a timestamp, so you can obviously know exactly when someone's uploaded the form.